Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change language in your Motorola Moto E22. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Motorola Moto E22 and you are looking for how to change language. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click this settings section. After click over there, you just scroll all the way down and you're going to find here something says system. After click over system, you're going to see skin appear just like this. You need to click here language and input, and you need to click again here in the language section, and if you decide to add new language, you can simply click here plus add language and you can easily choose any language. For example, in this video purpose, I'm going to choose here Castania, and then we're going to see the Castilian language added. And if you want to set this language as default, you can just hold it and then bring over this up, and immediately your phone going to be set that phone language. Now you can see my phone language has successfully changed English to Castilian some language. Anyway, now why I did this, actually I want to share with you. Maybe your phone language has changed and you don't know how to return back to English. Even myself, I don't know Castilian, but I want to change it to English. So I will share it to a simple trick how you can reach over there and change your phone language. So in order to do that, first of all you need to go all screen. If your settings section is not appear in this home screen, you can go all apps and then scroll all the way down, and then you're going to find the gear icon, which is your setting icon. Simply click over there. After that, you scroll all the way down, and then you're going to see this is the about or something like question icon. So you have to click over there. After that, we're going to see another, there is a world, which is kind of language icon. So you have to click over again, and then again we can see this is the language icon, which is kind of looks like Google Translate icon. Anyway, we're going to click over on it, and then now you have to first check if English is there. You can simply add this language to top. If English is not there, you can go plus icon and you can easily choose or download the English language, and after that you can easily set them. For example, I want to change Castilian to English. So what I have to do, choose these two and bring over one, and your phone is going to be change that language. So in this simple way, you can easily change your phone language to English, or even you don't know that current language, you want to change it to English. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.